up his top line while he's having his off time now. And there's like no reason why you can't be working on some things for him. And one would be doing some belly lifts. This is like a really beginning exercise for trying to strengthen their back. And it helps if you have two people, which I don't. Nor do I think I have a long enough towel, but we'll see if this works. Okay, so you're just going to do this like you were doing the girth, or like you were practicing with the lead rope for how to tighten up the girth. And you're going to take if you're by yourself, you're just going to tighten this up yourself. You're going to hold the top steady and tighten the bottom up as tight as you can. Pulling from the bottom, you're just holding it tight on the top, you're pulling it from the bottom. And then slowly now release. Okay, so you're pulling up for about 10 seconds, and then you're releasing for about 20. So this hand is just holding the blanket steady on his withers. This hand is doing all the pulling, my left hand in this case. Okay, so you're going to get a good firm hold. You're going to pull it up, holding for 10. And then slowly release for 20. He wants to put his head down. As long as he doesn't go anywhere, we're in good shape. Because lowering the head lifts the back. Okay, now we're going to move it back a couple inches and do the same thing. Okay, I'm going to lift it up. And then slowly releasing. The release should take twice as long as you held it. So if you're holding it for 10 seconds, you slowly release over 20. Move it back a little bit further. You do the same thing. Now you have to be careful that you're not pressing down on his back, because the whole idea is you want him to lift his back. So I'm just holding on to the blanket over there, but I'm not leaning on his back. And you lift hard as you can. If you have two people, you can use a big bath towel if you have two people, and you get a person on either side holding an end, and as a team, you just lift it up, hold for 10 seconds, slowly release for 20. And basically, if I were you, and you could get Michael to do it with you, I would just have him just hold it tight, and then you do the lifting. That way you know how tight you're holding it, you know how slowly you're releasing it. So just tightening and releasing on one side, the other side is just holding tight. Or, like this is just a little fleece throw. This is a little harder because it's got more stretch to it, but either one works. So you're going to start right here at the girth. You're going to have it folded about 6 inches wide. You're going to start right here at the girth, and then each time you're going to move back just a little bit until you get all the way back into the flank, and then start over again. And do it 4 times, going back. And like I said, be really careful you're not putting pressure up here on his back, because you want him to be lifting the back up, not sinking away from this pressure up here on his back. So, other things is you can actually work on lifting the back by lowering the head, which you know. Good boy. He loves to do the lower head thing. Good boy. And then, if you can get him to start walking with the head down. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. And just a step at a time at first. Good boy. And that's something that you can be working on already with Magic while he's just getting hand walk. We're gonna come over here and do it again. Sit down. What? Good boy. Ah, you're so smart. You're such an overachiever when it comes to head down things. Mm-hmm. Yes, you are. You're a good boy. Okay? Then, hello. He's like tired as a dog now. Okay, then you start to do arcs with them. With the head down. Okay, so head down, step, and get him to step across. Good job. Good boy. Now you move to the other side. Head down, and walking. Good boy. Good boy. Oh, it's harder on this side, isn't it? Good boy. Just do down first. Down. Good boy. Go. Good boy. Good boy. I know it's so weird with me on this side, isn't it? He has a lot of practice he needs on this side. Yep, dog's whining. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Kind of like he's got a cob cut stuck. Good boy. Sit down. Good boy. Good job. Good job. Okay, now we're going to try our arcs again. Okay, we got our head down. We come out this